Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to retire in the comfort of your home country, where the sun is bright, the air is familiar, and your money goes a long way to serve you compared to what is obtainable abroad? If you are a Nigerian living overseas, then this video is for you. Today on the Great Lineage TV, we'll talk about why Nigeria could be your best retirement destination and how you can make it work for you. The number one is emotional and cultural connection. No matter how long you've stayed overseas, home is home. You can't compare what is obtainable in Nigeria to what is obtainable abroad. In as much as they have their own advantages, so also they have disadvantages over there. The food, the culture, the language. These are the things you can never truly replace. Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of nature, eating your favorite local meals without spending a fortune, and being surrounded by people who understand your jokes without explanation. Retirement is about peace, and what better place to find that than in the land that shaped you? So, there's no way you can compare living abroad in your old age to living in Nigeria. Start making the plan right now. Number two is the cost of living advantage. When you look at the cost of living in abroad compared to cost of living in Nigeria, you see that the difference is clear. Let's talk about numbers now. If you retired in UK, US or Canada, the cost of housing, food and medical care can drain your savings fast. But in Nigeria, your retirement savings can go much further. Imagine building a comfortable home without paying rent. Eating fresh food, edikaikon, akpu, ikokore, the normal eba, egusi, all the afan soup and all this stuff without breaking the bank. Because all this will be at a fraction of what you spend overseas. Your pension or savings can provide you with a better quality of life in Nigeria than it will abroad. You just sit down and consider within yourself what I'm talking about. Consider if when you buy food worth $10, then convert it to Naira. Look at what it will buy in Nigeria. Then you can understand what I'm talking about. You eat the food you like at the time you want it. Fresh food, most especially when you live in a serene environment where you can get organic food. It's to your advantage, and it will give you a very long life to live with good health. Number three is the retirement opportunities for retirees. Retirement doesn't mean sitting idle all day. Nigeria is full of business opportunities, from real estate to agriculture and consultancies. Many returnees have successfully built rental properties, started small business, or even invested in local ventures that continue to generate income. Unlike in many Western countries where job opportunities for senior citizens are limited, Nigeria gives you room to create and build wealth even in retirement. The moment you are a senior citizen over there, you hardly see people that care about you unless you properly train your children. And don't forget that all these children you are taking abroad or you born abroad are not your children, because the system over there doesn't make it their duty to take care of you in your old age. It's a culture in Africa that you must take care of your parents in their old age. So there's nothing you can compare to retiring in your home where you will not pay rent, because I know for you living there, you will be able to have you'll be able to at least have a 3-bedroom flat back home. In as much I even wish you more. But even building a very big home for retirement is not economical. As an accountant, the best place for you to retire is Africa, your home, Nigeria. Don't make it your burial ground. The number 4 is healthcare and medical options. Do you know that one of the biggest challenges retirees face is healthcare? While Nigeria's public healthcare system has challenges, private hospitals and clinics offer excellent services at much lower cost than abroad. With the right health insurance and a good plan, you can access quality medical care without stress, plus healthier lifestyle, fresh food, can't imagine just go to, like we are in Ekwe, just go to Ayetoro, or you send somebody to Luo market, the fresh fish market, to get you fresh food, fresh fish. Active social life can contribute to a longer, happier retirement. Just put everything together. Nice food, fresh food. Your people are around you. You have some social life, community engagement. You live longer because you will not just sit down in a place. You will be agile. So let's consider the number 5, security and comfortable living. In as much as I know that many Nigerians abroad worries about security, but the truth is that Nigeria offers many safe and comfortable living options. Gated communities, private estates, and quiet suburban areas provide peace and security. If you plan wisely, you can live in an environment where you feel safe and at home. With proper planning, you won't need to deal with daily hustles and stress. In essence, what I'm trying to tell you is that if you plan your journey right from now, don't wait till you are 50, you are 60. And if you are already 50, 60 or above, you can still start doing something. It's never too late. But if you are not up to that, don't wait till you get to that stage. If you need any help in regards to all this I'm saying, you can contact us. Number 6, the power of community and social life. Being alone, I mean loneliness, being on your own, is a real problem for retirees abroad. But in Nigeria, family and social connections keep you engaged. Whether it's joining an elders club, association, attending community events, or simply being close to relatives, there's always a support system. There's always somebody to talk to. Your grandchildren, in Nigeria, you always find somebody to talk to. In as much as you are somebody that is not too difficult, you will never have to feel isolated or forgotten. So if you have been thinking of retiring, or you think you still have some time, you don't have any time, stop procrastinating. You can start now. Get your retirement plan. How can you plan it? You can contact us. We'll do that for you. You make your retirement plan, the savings, your health insurance, and so many other things that will peace of mind in your retirement. There are so many business opportunities in Nigeria that you can go into without you even being available. There are other things that you can engage yourself in that will really make your life better even at retirement. My brothers, my sister, start visiting home regularly. Don't just sit down over there and be isolated, because in the old age you might regret it. Ask those people that are already in their 60s and above. They will tell you what retirement in abroad is all about. So don't be isolated. Don't be forgotten. Come back home. You can start now. Get across to us. We will assist you to make your plan work for you. Home is home. Home is home. Home is home. Our next video will be how to prepare for retirement in Nigeria. A step-by-step guide. That is the part 2. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to get across to us for a step-by-step guide on how to retire in Nigeria. Your retirement should not be punishment. You must enjoy your retirement. Yes, you must enjoy your retirement. Thank you and God bless.